everyone, it's Michelle and welcome back to my channel. So I've been seeing the trend of Dalgona coffee going around lately. And today I wanted to make some Dalgona coffee alternatives. The first drink I'm going to make is a Thai iced milk tea, and the second will be matcha with strawberry milk. These do have egg whites in it, so if you don't feel comfortable with that, you can always use liquid egg whites, which are pasteurized. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Let's get into making these drinks.
I'm going to start with 1 egg white, and I'm going to go ahead and mix this with a handheld mixer. If you don't have one of these, don't worry, you can always mix this by hand as well. And we're going to continue to mix until it's light and frothy. At this point, you're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll continue to mix until soft peaks form. Next up is the Thai tea, and I'm straining 1 tablespoon of Thai tea with hot water. And then I'll add 2 tablespoons of the Thai tea. And I'll mix this until it's nice and incorporated. And then we'll set aside for later. And then I'll repeat the process I did for the Thai tea. And I'll use 1 egg white and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then I'll add in 1 tablespoon of matcha powder. And we'll mix this until it's fully incorporated. You'll know it's done when it's smooth and creamy. Next, I'll add 1/3 cup of strawberries into a pan at medium-low heat. As it starts to heat up, I'll add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll mash this up until it becomes a puree, and you'll get this nice thick consistency of strawberries. And I'll let that cool for a few minutes. For our strawberry milk, I'll go ahead and add some warm soy milk to the strawberry puree we made earlier. And then we'll top with our creamy matcha. For our Thai tea, I'm going to add some strained tea over ice. And then I'll add a touch of soy milk. Finally, I'll top it with our creamy and foamy Thai tea mix.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The drinks were so easy to make and they look so pretty. That was my first time making strawberry milk and it went so well with the matcha. So I'll definitely be making those again. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.